Oh, I'd love for you all to come. Here's some tickets. Here's one for you.
Thanks.
And you, and you, and you, and you.
Thank you, Wayne.
Oh, sorry. And one for you.
Thanks, Wayne.
What is it, little buddy?
Okay, I'll tell him.
Okay.
My main mouse here wants to know if he can have your autograph. He thinks you're a great singer.
Sure thing.
Yeah. Take my autograph book.
Oh, and you know what? I have a little favor to ask Warehouse Mouse.
Huh?
Can I have your autograph? Oh. You're the best break dancer I've ever seen.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. And thank you, movers. I'm so happy to have met you.
You too, Wayne.
You're welcome.
And thank you, Nina, for bringing me here.
Anytime, Wayne. I'm glad the movers could help.
Oh, well, I've got to go practice my song and dance and make sure I'm ready for my show. I'll see you tonight.
We'll be there. We'll be there.
All right, Wayne.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Nina.
Bye, movers.
Bye, Wayne.
Well, movers, we did it. We taught Wayne how to dance. Another idea emergency solved. Yeah. Ooh.
Look at him go.
He's good.
Yeah, you know what? So are we. Good job, movers.
Yeah.
High five.
Oh. Thanks, Mouse.
Sure thing, Dave.